The Bitcoin price is crashing. Will we see 42K soon? And how bad is it? First of all, guys, if you are in short trades, it's not bad at all because you make nice profits. Let me show you guys over here. This is my Bitcoin short. I entered at much higher price levels. But as you can see here, my average price as of right now is around 62.4K because I always took some profits at important support and resistance zones, and then I always scale up the trade again. Let me also show you here the ETH short, average price around 3.4K. I did here the same. I always take some profits on the way down and then I scale up again, guys. Okay, if you also want to trade, you will always get the highest available bonuses if you use the links down in the description. And very new, BingX, the newest collaboration. Let me show you guys. These are the sign-up bonuses here, up to $30. Deposit bonus 500 and trade 5K, guys. Check out the links. So what is going on? Let me show you guys. Here we see the 5-minute time frame, and we can see here the yellow lines, yeah, descending, broadening wedge, which should actually at some point break out to the upside, but it doesn't look like that at the moment. As you can see here, RSI on the 5-minute time frame is somewhere in the middle. We always have to talk about, guys, also the hourly and the daily. I will show you what's going on. So at the moment, this line here is somehow acting as support, as you can see, because I mean we broke below it for a short time and now we are above it, yeah, so that's the pattern. And these are the next really important levels to watch. This line here at around 59K, at around 58.5K, and the next one at around 57.7K, guys. These are important levels, but then you see the bigger picture. Let's go to the hourly. So hourly, you can see here the EMA ribbons flipped bearish. As you can see, the flip bearish, yeah. And what we can see here also now, this white line here is acting as resistance since almost 70K. So we had this, I would say, fake out, and now we are below this line again. So to flip bullish, yeah, on the hourly time frame, we have to break above this white line here first, and then we have two important lines to break at around 61K, guys, and at around 62K. So first of all, to flip bullish, break the white line, break the yellow line, break the pink line, okay? And then we can see what happens. And if we cannot break above it, then I will even scale up my shorts again. So let's also talk about how low could we go? How bad does it look? Let me show you. On the daily time frame, as you can see here, we are somehow, let's say, you could call this almost an M pattern, yeah? And it would be really bad. As you can see here, the M. This is the neckline. If you would break the neckline, this could be really bad and we could go really low. I would say we could go as low as around 47K. If we would break the neckline from the technical standpoint, this could happen, but we have very strong support here at the moment at around 59K, guys. So what could happen now? We could either see a bounce and see much higher price levels soon again, or we break it, because the more often a support or resistance line gets tested, the more likely it is to get broken. And as you can see here, we tested it here once, I would say 2, 3, this is, I would say number 4. At least this is number 4 that we are testing it. And the question is, will we see a bounce or will we see a break below it? Yeah. And then, as you can see, there's not much. Actually, there's no support at all. The next support is down here at around 52K. Yeah. And if this would not hold, then we go down here at around, I would say 47K, guys. So, but we have to see, very important now, if this line here will hold or not. So let's talk about Ethereum. Also here on the 15-minute time frame, we have this, just watch this pattern, guys. You see the yellow lines? It's almost like a wedge pattern, yeah, or a falling channel, depending on how we go up here now. And it should at some point break to the upside, but we have to see what's going to happen. And if we want to flip bullish here, guys, okay, let's extend this line because this is resistance. First of all, we would have to break this line here. Then we go in this turquoise zone, which is now acting as resistance. And also the white line, yeah, is also resistance now. So to flip bullish, first of all, break the white line, break into the turquoise zone, and then break the white line. If this doesn't happen, guys, this would be, if you're not in a short trade, this, if we would, for example, see a move up here, yeah, up here, and then get the rejection, a nice entry point for a short position for you guys. Let's also talk about here about the daily time frame. How low could Ethereum go? As you can see here, this goes back to March here. So the most important levels for you to watch right now here, guys, at around 3.3K. That's where we are at the moment. Next support 3.2, then around 3.1, and the most important line to hold and to watch to stay somehow bullish, guys, is the 3K level, okay? So that's what's going on right now, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you